The most important step of today's makeup is going to be this. Hi, my beauty beats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup when wearing your face mask. As you guys know, we are in the middle of a global pandemic. We also want to look nice every day. So in order for us to maintain our beauty and still stay safe by wearing the face mask, I'm going to show you a few tips how to apply your makeup in order to stay pretty. So you guys turn on the post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I make a post. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. First things first, you know we have to prime. My preferred primer is Becca, of course. We still have to make sure that our face is properly primed. I've already did my eyebrows. Priming is our, well, we're building your foundation to a good makeup. The pour, professional. Make sure you're filling in the T-zone. While we have the primer on and our face is still like kind of damp, you're gonna use some setting powder. Tap some. And add it on all over. I know you're probably saying that this process seems a little backwards to you. I don't usually do it this way, but I tried it today and it seems to have the perfect outcome. Trying to use the least amount of products on our face as possible because we don't want to lose all the product after we put it on, you know, under the mask. Or be defeating the purpose. So the next thing that we're gonna do is put on our foundation. And we're not really using much. Barely putting it on, but you're patting it on. Next, we're gonna conceal with tape, and dark deep. Now, usually I blend out my foundation with a brush, but today I felt like using the beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty blender. Foundation stick so we can do our contour. You probably don't really need to do a contour since we're wearing the mask, but I feel like I should just for the sake of this video. everything again. We're gonna set the highlight and we're gonna set the contour again. Make sure that I press the highlight and the setting powder into my skin. Not really baking. Use my mineralized skin finish in dark deep, and we're gonna dust that off. We're not gonna leave it on. Just layering, making sure everything is set and pressed into the skin. Now I'm setting my contour with a sleek 5-point powder. This is all the places where I had contoured my face. The most important step of today's makeup is going to be Ben-Nye Final Seal. Now, it has like a minty like smell to it and feel to your skin. So it's best for you to not apply it like so close, but or if you feel like you don't want to apply it directly either, you could spray it onto the sponge and pat it in, or if you could take it, just spray it on. It comes in different sizes. This is a, let's see, this is a 2 ounce bottle. Not that expensive, but it's well worth it. So we're gonna apply this on. This is one layer, the first layer of it that you're gonna apply on. After the first set of spraying, and then I'll put on now your blush, and it also makes everything appears a little bit more vibrant and alive on your face. Also gonna add our highlighter. This is bronzy cheeky bronze from MAC. Okay, and now for the eyes, we're gonna be using Juvia's Place Wahala palette. It has so many pretty colors in here. Since, you know, you're gonna be wearing a mask and we want our eyes to be the center or the focus of everything, we have to make sure that we, I guess, wear some vibrant colors and that your eyes look absolutely perfect, okay? We're also gonna be using the chocolate palette from Juvia's Place. This color here. You said that I was all you'd ever want. We're gonna use Over Savvy. MAC paint pot, soft ochre. This is just a base, an eyeshadow base, in order for you to make the eyeshadow appear a little bit brighter. You're gonna blend it out with a brush. With this color here, Unafraid. You don't want to apply your makeup and look like a clown, you know? This color here. I'm gonna apply this on the center like this. I applied my lashes off camera. Things a little up, and now we're gonna get into the lips. Now, the fact that you're wearing a mask, in order for you not to rub off the makeup on the mask, it has to be a matte lipstick. If you decide to do gloss, it's gonna rub off automatically, no matter what underneath. Unless you do simple like Blistex, Carmex, Vaseline, girl, then it don't matter. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do a lip. It's gonna be a matte lipstick. Lime Crime, Pansy, and Utopia. Now we're gonna spray with the all-nighter. Make sure it's fully dry. I can stop slapping myself in the face. And then we're gonna do another coat of the final seal. Try and center it mostly in the area where the mask is going to be in. So, you know, it could seal the makeup. This product is a little sticky, and it has a little like peppermint feel to it. It's real refreshing. It's not for everybody, but it does get the job done and it does work. We're gonna test out a mask to see. New product. This is so cool. No, this is in comparison to a clean and a dirty one. This is the one that I rubbed on my face. This is like a used one, so you can see like on camera how it looks. Show you again. Nothing. Absolutely no transfer. You wear your mask. Go. Take it off. No makeup. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys can leave me purple hearts just for me. See you guys in my next video. Bye.